Okay, here we go again. The third one. I think this hack is too cool. Okay, so dear colleagues, dear jury, dear world, third time I want to present you my hack. I called it AUTOMATON because I came up with idea this week when I have been to Brussels. Yes, and this hack should solve problem on levels of society and on personal level, as that hack supposed to. So I wanted to rent a bicycle, but I realized that I can't use mobile internet to scan QR code and download the app and register because I don't have local SIM card. Roaming is pretty expensive for me, and it doesn't give a lot of traffic for me. And the only internet point I had, it was only at my hotel, close to me, and the bicycle was in 1 minute away from this hotel, and I couldn't take it closer to Wi-Fi because the bicycle started to make alarm very, very, very loudly. So I was really frustrated with this. So I moved on foot, yes, and I was a little bit late, unfortunately, but still everything was good. So big problem of QR codes that you need to scan them, and all the traffic goes through your mobile network, of your mobile phone, and you need to pay for this traffic usually. So our team proposes new solution, new architecture, new background, and new business model, I would say. So we propose a new usage, like everybody has mobile phone. Usually we have some information recorded there, and we can use this information exchange via NFC, near field connection. New technology, modern technology, I would say, not new. So if I want to rate a bicycle, I can get some knowledge, like which providers can give bicycles for a rent. I can register on my web service. I can put there my mobile phone, my email, and my payment card for all the services in this area. So I come to bicycle, I put my phone close, NFC reader scans my phone ID or my identification stored on my phone. Then the request on the intranet of this bicycle goes to a backend. We propose to organize user authorization by telesign APIs. Yes, then the request connects to our web service, and it checks if the payment is available, and after that we have an acceptance call to us, because incoming calls, they are free usually. So we can answer the phone, and we can organize our call service as a bot service, for example, like voice bot for beginning. And then when our application will grow, we can use like full support center with real life people, yes, to support all the people. So we scan by NFC our bike send request through internal network of provider to a backend. Backend makes a request to our payment method. Yes, and then we have a call acceptance, and we don't use any internet, any mobile internet. How it can look like? So we have some personal page with mobile phone. Usually when you go abroad, you take your mobile phone with you, you don't buy SIM card. So yes, it's pretty comfortable when you have your domestic phone number with you. You have email for checkouts, for payments, for bills, and you have payment methods, payment cards. And if you know some services, like you can add your credentials to our application, to a list of them, if you want to take a bicycle or a car or a scooter. Yes. So it is kind of, our application can be some kind of marketplace, like App Store, that we have only one interface with mobile phone, with email, and with payment methods. They are unique for other services that allows some vehicles to share. So we suggest VOIP Innovations APIs for making calls, for our call support, and also for using user identification. We propose to use telesign APIs. Business value of this project, why it's good? Because it's more secure if you send all the requests through internal network of provider. Yes, if we have some unfair users, they can't change all the data and they don't need to hack any applications. So you store on your backend, if your provider, you store on your backend all the transactions. It's more attractive for customers who travel a lot and they don't need to care about local payment cards, local SIM cards. Yes, and we made some marketing research. Last year, Amsterdam has been visited by 18 million people, 18 million tourists, and 20% of them, around 3 million, they were not from European Union zone, not from Schengen. So 3 millions, it's a pretty big market, we suppose. So also we've developed some roadmap. The first step includes a deeper marketing research to be more concrete on numbers, to be more confident on value of our service. Yes, also we prognose after successful marketing research, we can invite more developers to make a prototype. Then we can enter some startup acceleration, and in 3 months we have a sharing service aggregator, a new service. So yes, thanks for your attention. We have already done our ask questions and answer sessions. So thanks again for your attention.